friends, come back to another amazing video from me. And this dance trend, they've created a dance trend for this before. This promise keeper, Rufus keeper. They've already created a dance trend under this sound before, but somebody did another one, and this one is so amazing and it's full of energy, it's full of vibe. Yes, it's actually speed up because of copyright wahala. Me, I don't want stress. So you can actually speed. You can, if it's too fast for you, because the last time I did, somebody said it's too fast. My own is too fast. So you can actually go to that YouTube setting and reduce the speed if you want it to be slower. And yes, and if you enjoy it this way, let's vibe it together. So guys, are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Even. Okay, this cutie. Okay, I'm very sweet. Beautiful actress. Okay. Together so you can dance. And this cute girl. clothes. Okay. And this fine boy line of Jesus. It's cutie. Family. Amazing. Everybody did well, everybody did great. Like, I love this vibe. I love this energy. Like, everybody giving us premium energy back to back. I love their vibe so much. Promise keeper, won't pass keeper. That line is everything, and I love the vibe. This song, they first released it and it was the slow version, then they released this fast version. Yes, all is cute, all is beautiful. I've already dropped the first one on my page, and this one is the current trending dance trend. Tell me what you love about the dance in the comment section, and also the song. What do you love about the song? Let me know in the comment section. And is there any trending challenge on TikTok that you want me to do? Let me also know in the comments, and I will do just that. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more premium and amazing content, and I'll see you in my next upload. Bye guys. Mwah.